Welcome back everyone to my channel Passive Entrepreneur with Zainab. Today I'm going to be teaching you how step by step how to become an affiliate for Amazon and sell physical products. I've had a lot of people say they are not comfortable with selling courses online or online education stuff. So today I'm going to take you through Amazon, how you can become an affiliate for Amazon and sell physical products. So without further delay, I'm going to flip my camera around and show you how to get started. So first we come to Amazon.com and you scroll all the way to the bottom. To where it says become an affiliate. Then you click on this button right here. It brings you here to the Amazon Associate page. So this is where you sign up as an Amazon affiliate. And this is how it works. You sign up, you recommend the products, and you earn commission. So you come back up, you click on sign up. I already have my own account, so I'm not going to be able to create another account. So, but all you have to do is create an account right here. You put in all your information and you create an account. Then it's going to bring out a couple of forms for you to fill, like where's your website, like how will you promote Amazon and stuff like that. So you fill all those forms, you create your own account, and you have access to Amazon Associate page. So I'm going to show you my own Amazon Associate page so that you can find products, get links, and promote those links to make commissions. So let's go to my own Amazon Associate page right now. So this is my own page. There are certain buttons at the top of this banner here. This is the help button. If you need anything, report of your earnings and the tools that you need, the promotion links, banners, and all that. So let's go to the home page. So this is the home page where you find a search bar right here, and you can find anything you want using a keyword or ASIN number or ISBN number. So here I'm going to go with something like cosmetics, or whatever your niche is, or whatever platform you have in is relevant to your followers. You can type it here. Here I'm gonna go with let's do cosmetics here, and I'm gonna click on the go button, and here it brings out all the cosmetics that you can sign up to become an affiliate for. So all those products you can sign up to become an affiliate for, and all you have to do is find the one you want to promote. And there are two buttons here. For this first one, let's see what it does. It brings up the affiliate link, your Amazon affiliate link that you can promote and make commissions with. This is a longer one, while this is the short one. I prefer the short one because it looks nicer and easy on the eye. So all you have to do is highlight it and copy it and paste it wherever you want to paste it. With the other the get link button, if you click on that one, it's going to bring you here where you can do some modifications to your link. You can get the graphics, the shop now, and stuff like that. Here you can customize your link and do all that. And here you can highlight and copy the link and paste the link on your website or your blogs or your YouTube channel and all that. So we're also going to look at the bounty programs. So the bounty programs are just one-time payments. So if you click on promotion and you click on bounty program, it's going to bring out the bounty programs. And all you have to do is see all bounty. Click on this button. It's going to bring out all the bounty programs that they have. There is Prime Wardrobe. Like you make $3 for every Amazon Prime customer you drive through. And this one, Audible Plus, sorry, and personal shopper, create Amazon business account. If you get people to come into, register for these things or sign up for them, you get, for this one is $15, for this is $4. And the good thing about the bounty program is, especially for this one, because I did this one for a while, even if you find someone that signs up for the free trial, it has a 30-day trial. If someone signs up for the free trial and they don't end up subscribing to the monthly payment, you still get your $5. So that's a good thing about the bounty, their bounty programs. So there's so many of them that you can, you can decide which one you want to promote to make money. Depending on your niche, I always say that depending on your niche, depending on your followers, just get something that your followers can relate with, and they will make a decision to buy from you. So let's click on this link and see what happens. So here we have three different kind of links. It's the HTML link, the standard link, and the short link that I said I like. And all you have to do is highlight it and copy it, and you can paste it wherever you want. Here you can get banners for your ads. You have the iframe and the JS frame and the banner size that they have for you. You copy the HTML and embed it. So you can use this for your Facebook ads and stuff like that. Or if you want to use it for your Instagram post, content post, and stuff like that. So that is why this is good. Now we're going to look at the commissions you can make on each categories that you decide to promote. So here you come to help, and then you go all the way to commission income statement. And when we click on that, it's going to bring out all the products and all the products categories and the percentage commission that you can make on them. So we have a luxury beauty, luxury stores beauty, Amazon coin, that's 10% if you promote this category. And we have the physical books, kitchen, and automotive, that's 4.5. So it goes down to like 1%. Amazon Fresh, and I'm thinking that is groceries or something. Health and personal care, which only makes you like 1%. Then if you go down, it's also going to talk about their bounty products and how much rate you're going to get. These are not in percentage because they are one-time payments, so they're not in percentage. It's a specific amount of money that you make if you promote this one. So the list goes on, and like this is my favorite one because it's free trial. Even if the person doesn't register, you still get your $5. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this value pack videos. Now you know how to become an Amazon partner. So go out there and crush it with affiliate marketing. If you have any questions for me, just comment down below. I'll respond to your question. And thank you so much for joining in this video. I'll see you next time.